Good morning. This is the Math 7 Topic 8 review. I should write that down. Topic 8. We're going to do the vocabulary review, and then I'll do a separate video for 8, 2, and 3, because 8, 2, and 3 you don't actually need to do because it won't be on the test. It's up to you. Okay, the distance around a circle is called the circumference. And for an example, I guess you could just draw me a circle. The thing about circumference is the formula for circumference is the diameter times pi, or 2 times the radius, which by the way is also the diameter, times pi. Either way you want to look at it. The point is, if you know the distance across a circle, if you basically, so that red line is the diameter, if you basically multiply it by a little more than 3, that's the distance all the way around the outside. If you don't know the diameter, if all you know is the radius, which is halfway across the circle, if you double that radius and then multiply it by a little more than 3, that's also the distance around the circle. So that's circumference. Triangles have a sum. Oh, that's not what they're saying, is it? What has a sum of 180 degrees? Complementary angles. So complementary angles sometimes are next to each other, like these two angles. We could say if we took the measure of this angle and added it to the measure of this angle, we'd have 180 degrees. They could also be drawn separately. Like you could say, okay, this angle and, not doing a very good job here, there we go, and this angle. You could say angle A and angle B are complementary because when you add them up you get 180. Combination of 2 or more geometric shapes. Ooh. Composite figure? Sure. Is a combination of 2 or more geometric shapes and a cross section is the two-dimensional shape that is exposed when a slice is made through a three-dimensional object. Awesome. And then down here, Shauna drew this picture of 3 intersecting lines, used vocabulary terms to explain how she could determine the value of x. There's lots of ways that she could do that. One thing I definitely know, this angle and this angle are vertical, which means this is also 47 degrees. Vertical angles are congruent. This angle is a right angle, which means it's 90 degrees. And what I notice is if I take all 3 of these and put them together, I end up with half a circle, or a straight line, which is 180 degrees. So I know that if I take this angle and add it to this angle, and add it to this angle, I'm going to end up with 180 degrees. So 90 plus 47 plus an unknown number is 180. Lots of ways you can do this. You can add these guys together, so that would be 137 plus x. is 180. Subtract 137 from both sides. This is gone, which is what we wanted. This is going to be, I think, 43. Let's check. Yep. So, the degree for x is 43. X is 43 degrees. That's it.